So when our students or us, whenever we are writing a judicial address, we have to, if we're choosing the prosecution side, we have to prove something to choose that side, to say this is the accurate, most just side. What is it that one must prove on the prosecution side for it to be just?
I'm glad you said justice, because that is the goal here. And we often look at level 2 as a courtroom issue. And I think that's only because it's a caricature that's easy for us to see.
Mm-hmm.
Because we do this in everyday life. This is just, we prosecute each other, I guess. I don't know. But in order to achieve justice with a child in our home, with a friend, in the court system too, we have to know 3 things, and so, or prove them to someone else if we want to persuade him that this is the right thing. So we have to prove that we have the right person, first of all, because it would be wrong,
right,
to punish, prosecute, admonish, anything if the wrong person. This, I wish I'd had this before I was raising children. How many times has the wrong child been in trouble for something? So yeah, it's happened. So we have to make sure we get the right person. That's the first thing. So we have to know whether it happened. That's on sit. And then we have to show that it was something that was wrong. If we have the right person and he did a good thing, then he won't be punished or prosecuted or anything else. So we have to show that the action was really a bad action. And then we have to show that he did it for a bad reason. So for example, if you have the right child and he spilled the milk, which was not a good thing to do, then if the reason he did it, his motive was that he was catching a baby falling out of the high chair, then good. He did it, and we're glad. But if he was doing it because he was angry and he wanted to break something to prove to his mother he didn't have to do what she said, then that's wrong. It's unjust for him to do that. So those are the 3. Whether it happened, which means we have the right person, that the thing was wrong. So what exactly was done? Was it a wrong thing or illegal? And then what was the motive?
So we have 3 special topics, right, that help us identify those questions, that help us get at those?
Yes, if we want to label those 3 in Latin, we have on sit is how it looks, is the whether it happened, whether it is. Quid sit is what it is. So exactly what action happened. We talked at once about a legally neutral verb. So what is the verb? What is the action? Was it killing? Was it murder? Was it pushing?
Filling or dropping?
Yes. So we need to know exactly what action it was. And then the third thing is that we need to know why, the cause, which motive, quali, which motive caused that person to act. So those are the 3 stasis questions: on sit, quid sit, quali sit.
Thanks.